Hello, in this demo we are going to play with Stratis pools and block devices and changing the size of block devices. Let's first make a volume group because that's the easiest way to make block devices that we can change in size. Let's start with this. And now we have a block device that we can make a Stratis pool on. This one. Okay, so that's a normal pool. And Cockpit now can recognize when a logical volume is actually part of a Stratis pool. You can see here, if I click on this, we go to the logical volume and it lists that it's part of the pool. It could always do this, but now it also supports growing it. It should allow that. Let me try to get the correct code running. I think that's faster than starting over. Now, okay. Yeah, now we can grow logical volumes that are part of a Stratis pool, and the right things will happen. You just make it a little bit bigger here, and we grow it. And this warning should not appear. It appears because there's a missing change notification. But if we reload the page now, just pretend the notification is there. Then you can see everything is clean, the pool is happy. This one is now 1.39 gigabytes, and the pool is also bigger now, 1.4, 1.39 gigabytes. Everything is in sync. Let's see what happens if we resize the logical volume in the terminal without any special Cockpit magic. So that is, I don't know if LVM can do this also. It can resize file systems. How did that go? I don't know. -L plus 100 megabytes, I think. So now it's bigger. And now we get all the warnings here. And this time they're correct. And if we reload the page, they should stay in place. So you can see this one still says 1.39 gigabyte data, but if we look at it, it's now 1.5 gigabyte. It's 100 megabytes bigger than what Stratis thinks it is. But Cockpit has recognized the situation, and this alert lets you take all the space that is now available. Alternatively, you see the volume group is also complaining. It also has detected this situation. This is the regular warning that we also give for file systems, and it just says the logical volume is bigger than what's stored on it, so we can now grow the content, and that should also work. But since the change notification is missing, we have to reload. So now everything is clean again, and the pool is now 1.5 gigabytes. Maybe let's do it one more time. Is it still here? Let's make it 100 megabytes bigger. This one is back. Yeah, let's click it. Nothing happens because of the change notification. But if we reload, now the pool is also 1.6 gigabyte big. Yeah, that's it. So to summarize, Now, in the context of volume groups and logical volumes, a Stratis block device can be resized just as any other file system. Cockpit could always do it for file systems, and now it can also do it for block devices in Stratis pools. If you resize a logical volume inside Cockpit, everything should happen automatically, and the pool will be grown as well, and you shouldn't even need to think about it. If the logical volume gets out of sync with the Stratis pool, then warnings will pop up, and you get the opportunity to fix that in Cockpit in two places, either from the point of view of the logical volume or from the point of view of the pool. Yeah, that's it. Thanks a lot.